Welcome to 10-minute upper body yoga stretch. Let's begin this practice in child's pose. Bring your big toes together to touch. Try to keep your knees hip distance apart for this variation, but feel free to take them wider apart if you need to. Walk your hands far forward in front of you and lower your forehead to the ground. Press your hands down into the mat, keep your elbows lifted, and try to find the stretch on the upper body here. Maybe somewhere on the sides of the body, upper back, shoulders, underneath armpits. Breathe deeply into the area where you feel the stretch, trying to create a bit more space there. Take one more big breath in, slow breath out, and with your next inhale, come up to your hands and knees, tabletop position. Reach your left arm forward and circle it up and back. 3 big circles with your left arm. And then change direction, 3 circles to another side. Inhale, lift your left arm, open your chest towards the ceiling. Exhale, thread the arm underneath your right armpit. Lower your left shoulder down, side of the head to the mat. Your right hand can stay just where it is, or extend it forward for a little more side stretch. A few big breaths here. Bring your right hand back next to your face and make your way up to your hands and knees. Same on the other side, circle your right arm, big shoulder circles. And change direction, 3 more circles. Inhale, lift your arm up to the ceiling. Exhale, thread the arm underneath your left side, lower your shoulder, your head, and maybe extend your left arm forward. One more big breath in this pose. And then slowly make your way up to your hands and knees. Position your hands underneath your shoulders, spread your fingers wide. With inhale, drop your belly, lift your tailbone and chest up for cow. Exhale, round the back and slightly lean back as if you are sitting halfway towards child's pose. Inhale, arch the back, look up. Exhale, round the back, press the floor away, sit slightly back towards the heels. One more time like this. Inhale, arch the back. Exhale, round. And then come back to neutral tabletop position. Now press the floor away from you again, round the back a little. Keep your hips over the knees as you walk your hands forward for this variation of puppy pose. Keep pressing your palms down into the mat and trying to spread your shoulder blades wide. Hug your triceps in. You will probably feel this stretch somewhere on your shoulders. Take another big inhale here with a round back. And with exhale, lower your chest towards the ground. Maybe chin or forehead comes down to the mat. This is a more usual variation of puppy pose. A few big breaths here. With each exhale, try to sink your chest more towards the ground. Now slowly from here, shift forward, lower into your belly. Keep your forearms parallel to each other for Sphinx position. Elbows underneath your shoulders. Toes pointed, tops of the feet press down into the mat. Press through your forearms to lift your chest up. Pull your chest forward and squeeze the shoulder blades closer together. Gentle back bend. With each breath, try to lift your chest higher. Slowly lower your forehead to the ground. Extend your right arm out to the side, bend the elbow. Then roll to your right side until you feel the stretch on the front of your right shoulder. Maybe a little on the chest as well. Come back to center and take it to the other side. Bend your left arm, roll to your left side, find the stretch and breathe there. Come back to center, roll over to your belly. Place your hands next to your shoulders and push yourself up to your hands and knees. And then sit back to your heels. Reach your left arm up, bend the elbow so that the palm is between your shoulder blades. With the opposite hand, gently push this elbow down to find the stretch on the shoulder, on your left side of the body. From here, release your right hand down to the mat, extend your left arm up and over the head for bigger side stretch. Your hips can shift slightly to the opposite direction. Keep reaching your upper hand up and over the head. Big breath into the side of the body. Come back to center and same on the other side. Reach your right arm up, bend the elbow and gently press this elbow down. Bring your left hand down to the mat. Extend your right arm over the head, find the stretch on the right side of the body, and stay here for a couple more big breaths. Come back to center. Lift your arms up, interlace fingers. Inhale, press your palms up to the ceiling, big stretch. Exhale, release your arms down to your legs. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this short practice. Let me know in the comments if you did. See you in the next video. Bye!